two different colors. As you can see, these are just scrappy yarns, leftover yarns from other previous projects, and they are both 100% acrylic DK yarn, 4mm crochet hook, a scissor, and a measuring tape. To begin, I'm going to make a slip knot and chain 72, or actually depending on the circumference size of the head you are making. In my case, I'm making an adult head, and which is going to be about having 71 stitches around. So that's why I'm starting with 72 stitches, because the first one I'm going actually to skip it when going to 10, working back into the chain. So just go ahead and make a total of about 72 chains, or until you are satisfied with the size of your head you are making. Once you get 72 chains, or until you are satisfied with the number of chains, now make a double crochet into the second chain from the hook. Single crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, and just continue alternating between single crochet stitch and a double crochet stitch, because this is a lemon peel stitch we are using for cat ear beanie. So just continue doing that all the way until the end. So just continue alternating between single crochet stitch and a double crochet stitch all the way, because this is a lemon peel stitch we are using for a cat ear beanie. So just go ahead all the way until the end here. I'll meet you at the end to show you the next step. Just make a double crochet into that last stitch, chain 1, turn work. The turning chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Next, since you have entered with a double crochet, which means you're going to start with a single crochet, and where you have previously placed a single crochet, now you're going to place double crochet, and just continue alternating between those two stitches all the way until the end. At the end, just chain 1, turn your work, and remember the turning chain 1 does not count as a stitch. So just continue doing that all the way back and forth until this part at least measures at least about 7.5 to 8 inches long. I'll measure once I get at least about 7.5 or 8 inches long to show you the next step. So once satisfied with the length of your beanie, which in my case measures about 7 inches long, next you are going to join your beanie head together like this, all the way down like this. You can use a yarn needle, it's actually up to you, or you can just go ahead and use a crochet hook and join with a slip stitch or single crochet stitches all the way down here. Then once you reach down here, you can cut off the end, because next you're going to fix the top part of the beanie head here. Just make sure before you cut off the yarn, we must chain 1 to secure your work. And make sure when you are joining it, the wrong side is the one that's out like this, and the right side is inside. So just go ahead doing that all the way until here. Next, you are going to join the top part of the beanie head, still with a yarn needle. Don't try to skip any stitch, just try to grab every stitch. So just go ahead doing that all the way until the end. Next, you're going to work around here. Pretty much do so with the same yarn color if you want, or use a different yarn color. With the wrong side out, and start in any stitch of your choice. chain 1 to secure your work, then make a single crochet back into that same stitch, and continue making single crochet in each stitch all around until the end. To reach the end here, just try to slip stitch on top of this first single crochet stitch you have started with to join your work, chain 1, and you can cut off the yarn. Next, you can weave in all your yarn tails.